Hi guys! Here's your minimalist mom once again saying malamig na araw ulit sa inyong lahat. And today, we're going to talk about this corner. Actually, ito ay malapit lang dito sa door namin, okay? So, maraming nagtatanong ba't para ako naglalagay ng ganito sa corner. Kasi maraming how do you call this? Maraming reasons, 'di ba? Kung bakit tayo maglalagay nito. Upuan, table, ayan. It's not only for display, guys, but there is always a reason why we need to put this. Etong table and upuan na to, it's just malapit lang siya sa shoe rack namin. And pagka nagsusuot ka ng shoes, of course, kailangan mo to uupuan. Diba? Hindi ka pwedeng nakatayo kasi ma-out of balance ka, syempre. Ayan. And table, because especially when you're going to, let us say, bring something or bring inside, yan, pwede nyo dito ipatong sa table. Ayan. So, we've got 2 seats actually here para pag kunwari nagmamadali, pwedeng magsuot ng shoes ang dalawang tao. Ayan. And this is also good, lalo na pag, of course, nilagyan ko na siya ng flower. Ito, it's somewhat a jewelry box from my aunt. So, she gave it to me. At ang purpose nito kaya ako nilagay dito to hold things, to put some keys, something like that, or to put, siguro pag meron kang ayaw isuot na jewelry, lagay mo na lang dito kaysa tatakbo ka pa sa taas, di ba? Baka ma-misplace mo, ayan. So, just for safekeeping, pinag-isa ko yung safe at saka yung keeping. Safekeeping, pwede ito, ilagay nyo itong jewelry box dito pag hindi nyo naman ginagamit sa kwarto. Okay? And another thing, one thing na maganda kaya maglagay kayo ng parang upuan sa tabi ng entrance nyo para yung visitor din, di ba? Meron din siyang chance na umupo to remove her shoes. Okay? Para naman hindi pa nakakahiya minsan sabihin sa bisita na ay pakitanggal ang ganon. O nagpapaskil tayo sa door. No shoes allowed inside. Parang ganon, no? May mga ganon. May ganon akong alam. Okay, pero kasi it's really practical na, you know, hindi na yung mga Chinese, diba? Karamihan ng Chinese ganon. Nagtatanggal talaga sila ng shoes. Kasi they believe na yung shoes natin kung saan nakakarating, di ba? Yung microbes na iba. Pero sa kanila galing yung no comment. Okay. But anyway, ayan, yung mga germs, yung microbes, dala-dala ng shoes natin yan sometimes. Kaya, at saka to prevent na rin ng linis tayo sa bahay, di ba? Kasi may mga naiirita din. May naiirita din sometimes na linis tayo ng linis. Pero, okay, this would be really helpful for you. Ang dami ring reasons bakit. Huwag nyo lang isipin, mamis, na siya pang nililinisan, siya pang pinupunasan, di ba? But it's also helpful when it comes to removing shoes, wearing shoes, or putting things na kailangan mo dalhin sa labas, ganyan, para at least, makita mo, ito yung mga dadalhin ko, ganyan. So, it's really nice if you have, maski nga wala itong table kung wala kayong table, it's okay. It's okay to put chairs, yeah, beside sa door ninyo. So, itong windows na to, it's just beside our door. Ayan. Kasi talagang pagpasok namin, it's our practice na to leave our shoes here. Dito sa may sa mat, something like that. Especially kung basa, di ba? Ayaw natin mabasa ang ating floor sometimes. Hindi naman sa magiging maarte mga mamis, pero tayo linis ng linis sa bahay. So, we also need to have practical means in order for us to save our energy, our time, and everything. Ayan! So, I hope may natutunan na naman kayo sa side table, side chairs na to, or table and chairs just beside your doors. It's really helpful. Ayan. Hindi po siya talagang display lang. But, it could help you, not only you as a mom, as the family members, okay, it's also a part of disciplining, disciplining them when it comes to cleaning din naman. Di ba? Kailangan din naman nila kayong tulungan, di ba? In some ways, in order for you to make your life really easy as a mom. Ayan! So, there you have it. Just a little tip, okay? Di naman talaga kailangan ganitong upuan talagang hahanapin nyo. Oh, yung monoblock natin, pwede yon. Pwede nyong lagyan din ng cushion, di ba? Para naman maging maganda siya. Ayan. So, there you go. I'll see you again for more tips. And have a nice day. God bless us all.